Introducing the Tenda CH10 10-megapixel Wi-Fi dual-lens pan-tilt camera. Let's begin with the box layout. The front highlights its key features: AI multiple safeguards, Wi-Fi 6 support, and full-color lens technology. On the side of the box, you'll find a QR code to download the mobile application for easy camera management. It supports 3 storage options. The back of the box provides a detailed feature explanation, including human detection, line crossing detection, alarm notifications, and more. At the bottom, there's a sticker with model number and serial number details. Now, let's unbox the camera. Inside the box, you will find quick installation guide and instruction manual, power adapter, mounting screws, the camera itself, on top, you'll see the first lens with 2 IR lights, capable of vertical up and down rotation. Below that, there's the second lens, which supports 360 degrees horizontal rotation. At the bottom, there's an SD card slot for local storage. The camera is built with a sleek, durable design and is IP65 certified, making it ideal for outdoor use. Let's power it on. Once connected, the camera will auto-calibrate and adjust its field of view. Now, open the TDC app. Scan the QR code on the camera and add it to your account. You can rename the camera for easy identification. From the app, you can control the pan tilt function to move the lens left, right, up, and down. Enable manual alarm, which triggers sound and flashing lights. Turn LED indicators on or off. Use two-way communication with the built-in microphone and speaker. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Like, share, and follow us on Tenda CH10 across Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.